Two contenders for your money's future. One big question. Which delivers real value? Automation or the human touch? On the left, Robo-Advisor. Automated, low-cost investing made simple. And on the right, the traditional financial advisor. Personalized human expertise for complex needs. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters for your finances. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly which option comes out on top. The result could surprise you. Before we get too deep, let's lay it out. We're comparing these two across cost, customization, automation and management, human support, services offered, and who they're best for. Here's our mind map, visualizing where each shines, or, well, stumbles a bit. Now, let's tackle each category. Okay, first up, cost. Robo-advisors? Honestly, they win this round hands down. Most charge like 0.25 to $0.5% as an annual fee, and you can usually start with super low minimums or even $0, which, if you're just starting out or don't have a ton to invest, feels kind of amazing, right? Sure, there are some premium services that creep up to about 0.75%, but in general, it's super budget-friendly. Now, traditional financial advisors? Yeah, with those guys, you're looking at 1 to 2% fees, and they usually want you to have upwards of $100,000 before they even sit down with you. So, unless you're balling out already, that's not exactly accessible. Winner? Robo-Advisor, easily. Next up, customization. Robo-advisors let you adjust your goals and risk, which is nice, but, and it's a pretty big but, you're mostly just plugging stuff into their system. Like, you pick your risk level, retirement date, and they make it work. Sort of. You're limited to preset funds and ETFs, and input is pretty broad. Now, traditional advisors? This is their home turf. You get someone who actually looks at your entire financial picture. The money, the business, the random family trust you forgot about. They handle it all, even complex assets. That real personal touch can matter, especially if your finances are a bit messy. So, yeah, for customization, traditional financial advisor totally takes the win. Automation and management is kind of where robo-advisors flex the hardest. So you sign up, set your goals, and boom, they handle everything. Fully automated rebalancing, snazzy stuff like tax loss harvesting, it all happens in the background, no sweat from you. Love it if you want hands off. Traditional advisors? They're solid here, don't get me wrong, and some have killer tech tools, but overall, it's definitely less automatic. They check in, help out, but you end up managing a few things yourself or waiting for that follow-up call. So in terms of set it and forget it, robo-advisors take home this category. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know robo-advisors manage trillions of dollars worldwide? But actually, what's really blowing up in 2025 is the hybrid setup, where you get AI smarts plus human advice. That combo is everywhere lately. Wild, right? Human support. Okay, let's be real. Robo-advisors aren't exactly your BFF. If you need help, it's some tech support team, or maybe you pay extra for a hybrid setup where you talk to a human occasionally. It does the job, but it's not exactly personalized. On the other hand, with a traditional advisor, you're getting serious one-on-one attention. It's like having a financial coach, holistic planning, tailored guidance, someone who keeps up with your life changes. The catch? You do need to vet them a bit because not everyone's a rock star. But for deep support, traditional advisor totally wins. Let's talk services. Robo-advisors cover the basics. Portfolio management, some simple financial planning add-ons. That's sweet if you don't need much complexity. But if you're looking for guidance on estate planning, taxes, juggling multiple goals, or just want someone to hold your hand through the entire financial circus, traditional advisors bring it all. Seriously, they cover comprehensive planning, even if onboarding takes a little longer. So, for the full-service experience, traditional advisor wins here. And finally, who are these best for? Robo-advisors are awesome if you're a beginner, have a simple portfolio, or your account balance is still growing. They're perfect if you just want to get started and not overthink every little detail. But when things get complicated, you'll want a traditional advisor. They're best for high net worth peeps or anyone with complex, tricky financial needs. That said, if you just want basic portfolio management, hiring a traditional advisor could be kind of overkill and pricey. Honestly, this category is a total tie. Depends who you are and what you need. All right, let's map it out. Visually, you can see robo-advisors scoring big on cost and automation, while traditional advisors dominate customization, human support, and pure service range. The radar chart practically jumps off the screen with those differences. So here's my honest take. If you want super easy, hands-off investing at a great price, Robo-Advisor takes the cake. But if your financial life starts to look like a multi-season Netflix drama, you really need that tailored human touch. And the traditional advisor is totally worth it. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe or follow so you don't miss the next one. Catch you soon.